All right, let's get right into it. So many people are worried that AI is coming for their job. The thinking is, hey, if a machine can write or code or design, then what good am I? Does my value just drop to zero? Well, what if I told you the secret to surviving all of this massive, massive shift, was hiding in plain sight, inside one of the most famous products on the entire planet? Yeah, I know, it sounds a little weird, a can of soda, but trust me, the story of how this simple can of sugar water built a global empire is like the perfect playbook for what you need to do next in your career. So to really get this, we've got to look at what I call the sugar water paradox. It's a super simple but really fascinating business case that holds the key to everything. Okay, check this out. The Coca-Cola company, it has a market cap of over 250 times billion dollars. I mean, just let that sink in. That is an absolutely mind-boggling valuation for a company that, when you really break it down, sells something incredibly simple. Think about it for a second. Coca-Cola, objectively, is just sugar water. Seriously, you could probably whip up a version of it in your own kitchen for pennies, less than 2 rupees. And yet, we all go out and happily pay 30, 40, sometimes 50 times that amount for the real deal. Why? What's the secret that lets a product that costs almost nothing to make command such a huge premium? Just hold that thought. Because here's the kicker. That exact same dynamic, it's starting to happen to your career right now. The skills that once made you unique and valuable are facing a huge, huge threat. And the name for this threat is commoditization. Basically, it's when your unique skills, your special flavor of design, or your specific way of coding starts to look pretty much the same as what everyone else or everything else is putting out. At least it looks the same to the person who's paying the bills. And AI, oh, it's pouring gasoline on this fire. It works like this. First, you have unique, expensive skills that people value. Then, boom, AI tools come along that can replicate those skills super cheaply. All of a sudden, the output from a seasoned pro and the output from a cheap tool look, well, kind of the same. And when that happens, the only thing left to compete on is price. And this right here is the crucial point. Look, it's one thing to compete against other people who have to pay rent and buy food, but it's a whole other ball game to compete with a tool that costs 20 bucks a month. How on earth are you supposed to compete with that? The short answer, you can't. So, what do? Well, you go back to the sugar water. You have to learn the real secret behind Coca-Cola's unbelievable, unshakable dominance. So, what is this big secret? First, let's talk about what it isn't. A lot of people think it's some magical formula locked away in a vault somewhere. But that's not really it. People can get pretty darn close to replicating the taste. And it's not like there are some rare, impossible-to-find ingredients. The value isn't actually in the liquid itself. The real secret, the thing that's actually worth that $250 billion, is everything around the product. It's the brand. It's the trust you have that when you open a Coke anywhere in the world, you know exactly what you're going to get. It's their insane distribution network that makes sure a can is always just an arm's reach away. And, most importantly, it's the masterful coordination of all those different parts, the bottlers, the marketers, the logistics, working together as one perfect machine. And that last one, masterful coordination, that's the real key. And it's not just Coca-Cola's secret, it's the secret to your future career. You know, Imad Mustak, the guy who used to run Stability AI, he just nailed it. He said, the future is going to be mostly managers. Now, he doesn't mean manager in that old school, boring corporate sense. No, he's talking about a totally new kind of role. See, your value isn't just about doing the task anymore. Your new, high-value job is to be the coordinator. You're the person who pulls all the different resources together. You might use an AI tool for the initial design, hire a human freelancer for the printing, use some software for distribution, and you orchestrate all of it to deliver a complete final outcome. You're the one who guarantees the whole thing gets done, start to finish. Okay, so how do you actually do this? How do you make the shift? How do you stop being the easily replaced sugar water and start being the entire Coca-Cola empire? All right, here's the playbook. Number 1, you have to stop thinking of yourself as a designer or a coder. No, you take full responsibility for the entire outcome. If someone hires you to do marketing, you handle the whole thing. Number 2, you build a brand around the outcomes you've actually delivered. Your brand is just the proof that you're the person who gets things done. And third, and this is crucial, you have to realize that your reputation is your ultimate defense. It's your moat. It's the trust people have in you, just like the trust they have in that red and white can. So here's the bottom line. Who cares if individual skills get commoditized by AI? The tools are just ingredients, right? As long as you are the one people trust to pull it all together and deliver the final product, you are the brand. You are Coca-Cola. So the question you have to ask yourself now is this. In this new era we're all heading into, are you going to be the cheap, replaceable sugar water that anyone can make? Or are you going to be the brand that everyone trusts?